So dear students, we were reading chapter The Fight. We were reading about Suraj and Ranji, that how they both became enemies of each other. Okay, so we have read first page, second page also. We were on third page when there was a conversation between two boys. So let's read this conversation and we will come to know. Yes. Yes, Taranya, you read this conversation.
You like to fight with villagers, said Ranji. Well, I'm not a villager, I'm a fighter. I'm a warrior. I'm a fighter. Had each and impressive. One had said he has a warrior, the other had a fighter. There was little else that could be said. You understand that I'm a warrior, said the stranger, feeling that perhaps this information had not penetrated Ranji's head. I have heard you say it 3 times, replied Ranji. Then why are you not running away? I'm waiting for you to run away. I will ask you, said the stranger, resuming a violent attitude, showing Ranji the palm of his hand. I am waiting to see, said Ranji. You will see to do it, said the other boy. Ranji waited. The other boy made a strange hissing sound. They stared each other in the eyes for almost a minute. Then the warrior slapped Ranji across the face with all the force he could muster. Ranji staggered, feeling quite dizzy. There were 6 red finger marks on his cheeks. There you are, exclaimed assailant. Will you be off now? For answer, Ranji swung his arm up and pulled the hard, bony fence into the other foot. And then they were at each other's throats, swaying on the rock, tumbling on the sand, rolling over and over. Their legs and arms locked in a desperate, violent struggle, gasping and cursing, clawing and snapping. They rolled into the shallows of the pool. Even in the water, the fight continued as, stuttering and covered with blood, they broke for each other's heads and shoulders. But after 5 minutes of frenzied, unscientific struggle, either boy had emerged victorious, their bodies heaving with exhaustion. They stood back from each other, making tremendous efforts to speak. Now do you realize I'm a warrior? Gasped the stranger. Do you know I'm a fighter? Said Ranji with difficulty. They gave a moment's consideration.
Wait. Now see from this page what information we come to know. See, both started fighting. One passed a comment that you are a villager. Okay. So he said no, he was not a villager, he was a fighter. Because he opposed him, he wanted to fight that fight. Okay. So they were, you can say, at a position that they were at a deadlock, that nobody was saying that he is the winner and he is the loser. It was a deadlock. Okay. So after that, there was little else that could be said. Okay, now they both understood that there was a great fight between them. Okay, so Ranji, what was the dialogue spoken by Ranji? That you spoke it 3 times, me villager. Okay, so on this small matter, they started fighting and they both fought and fought. They see the conversation, which kind of conversation was going between them. Tanmay, you go at last. So different kind of remarks were passed by each other. Okay. So different kind of remarks were passed by them. Okay. Now the stranger was saying that they have to now beat each other. Okay, and after that Ranji said, I'm waiting to see you do it. Okay, so other boy also spoke in the same tone. He said, okay, you will also see me, I will also see you. So Ranji was waiting, and after that other boy was Suraj. Okay, so Suraj made a very strange, very hissing sound. Hissing sound, you can say, just like a sound of a snake, like that. So he made that hissing sound. Okay, and they were just staring in each other's eye. It means they both became just, you can say, enemy. They were just fighting, they abused each other, they spoke such kind of rubbish language to each other, and they saw in each other's eyes. Okay, then warrior slapped Ranji across the face with all the force he could muster. He could muster means he could, the courage he could gather. So here write down the meaning of muster. Muster means with full courage. With full courage. So what was going on? Suraj slapped Ranji, okay, on his face with all the courage he was having, and Ranji was staggered and he was feeling quite dizzy. Dizzy means, what is the meaning of dizzy? जैसे किसी को चक्कर आ जाते हैं, like that. So there is another word, giddy. So when he got that harsh slap, so other boys started feeling giddy. Okay, clear? Staggered means he was not able to stand properly. Staggered means not able to stand. So when he got such kind of blow, when he got such kind of harsh slap, so other one really started staggering and he was not able to stand properly, and he, you can say, so he was feeling started dizzying. Okay, and on his cheeks there were marks of red finger. It means such kind of slap was given by Suraj to Ranji. Such a harsh slap. So such kind of fight was going between them. Okay. Now Ranji, he was not, you can say, physically he was not looking so strong because he was very much thin. He was very much skinny, bony. But after that, Ranji swung up his arm and he pushed a hard bony fist like that. Okay, so fist into other's face. It means he gave a punch. Okay, he gave a punch. Clear? So when this punch was given by another boy, one boy slapped, another boy gave a punch. Okay, and then they were at each other on hitting on faces. Then they came on throat. Okay, then they came on throat. So they were swaying on the rock, tumbling onto the sand. Tumbling means they were just falling onto the sand. Huh? Swaying means just like moving here and there. Swaying. Swaying means they were moving here and there. Okay. Moving, diya hua hai book mein. It is given in your book, moving from side to side. So they were tumbling on the sand, they were just falling on the sand, and they were just rolling, and their legs and arms, they were just, you can say, in desperate. Desperate means, what is the meaning of desperate? Desperate means hopeless. They both were becoming hopeless. Okay, and there was a very, very harsh, very violent struggle was going between them. and they were gasping and cursing. Gasping means they were not able to breathe properly. Okay, so write down the meaning of gasping. They were not able to breathe properly and they were cursing, clawing and flapping. Claw, you can say feet. So they were just doing a, yes, doing like that, struggle with their hand, with their feet. Okay, otherwise claw word is used for animals. But here clawing is an activity that they were doing, struggle with their hands, with their arms. Okay, and after that, they rolled into the shallow of the pool. Okay, shallow means upper surface area. They went into that pool. Okay, even when they both went into the water, their fight stopped? No, their fight was not stopped. It was continued. The fight was going on as they spluttering. Spluttering means they were moving so quickly, speaking so quickly. Okay, and covered with mud. Their body was covered with mud and they were just speaking so quickly, and they grouped for each other's head and thought. It means they were just doing struggle to, you can say, because in water they were doing struggle not to save themselves. They were just doing struggle to find out each other's hands, each other's arms, legs, so that they can hit them. So write down the meaning of groped. It means searched. So what kind of fight was going even in water? You can just well imagine. Okay, so it was really, you can say, bad struggle was going even when they fought in mud. After that, their body rolled into water, and in water also their fight continued, and they were fighting just like a mad person. Clear? So let's read further. Up to that, page number 47, I have explained. Now, page number 48, you can see the pic, how badly they both were fighting. Okay. Now, Harman, you read this 5 minutes of
5 minutes of frenzied, unscientific struggle. Neither boy had emerged victorious. Their bodies heavy with exhaustion, they stood back from each other, making tremendous efforts to speak. Now, do you realize I am a warrior? Gasped the stranger. Do you know I am a fighter? Said Ranji with difficulty. They gave a moment's consideration to each other's answer, and in that moment of silence, there was only their heavy breathing and the rapid beating of their hearts. Then you will not leave the pool, said the warrior. I will not leave it, said Ranji. Then we shall have to continue the fight, said the other. All right, said Ranji. But neither took the initiative. The warrior had an inspiration. We will continue the fight tomorrow, he said. If you dare to come here again tomorrow, we will continue this fight, and I will not show you mercy as I have done today. I will come tomorrow, said Ranji. I will be ready for you. They turned from each other, then and going to their respective rocks, put on their clothes, and left the forest by different routes.
now. नहीं, मैंने एक्सप्लेन कर दिया ये पेज. Now from this page we have come to know that they grouped for each other. Grouped means they were searching for each other's body parts, like head should be there, hand, arms, so that they can hit each other. In water, such kind of struggle was going on. But after the 5 minutes of frenzied, unscientific struggle. So frenzied means, you can say, mad struggle. So write down the meanings of difficult words. So they were fighting just like mad persons. Okay, this fight was so bad, and write down the meaning. Frenzy, mad. So such kind of mad fight. After that, what happened? Unscientific struggle, it means their struggle was not scientific, not based on any, you can say, fact. Unscientifically, blindly, okay, they were hitting each other. Neither boy had emerged victorious. What is the meaning of emerged? Emerged means came out. So not even both were fighting. Nobody was victorious. Nobody was winner. It means in that fight, nobody won. Okay. Both had a very bad struggle and their bodies were heaving with exhaustion. It means they both got so much tired. They were heaving. Heaving means they were breathing heavily. They were not able to breathe properly and they were completely exhausted. Exhausted means tired. So write down the meaning of exhaustion. Fatigue. Yes, very good. So there was a complete tiredness. And no boy was a winner there, and they were completely exhausted, and they stood back from each other, making tremendous effort to speak. So tremendous means making great efforts to speak. Now their fight was not over, but they were completely exhausted. So they were standing a little bit far to each other. Now, do you realize I am a warrior? Gasped the stranger. Now, after that, he said, now you realize you were saying me what word? What word was said? Only then five. Villager. He spoke him villager. From that word, the fight started. Okay. So now he said, okay, now you have come to know that I am a fighter. Okay. So they gave a moment's consideration. Consideration means you can say consideration means look. So write down the meaning of consideration. Consideration means look. So they both gave a look. They gave a moment's consideration to each other's answer. And in that, it means they both had a great look on each other. And after that, a moment of silence. Silently, they both were looking into each other's eyes. Okay. And after that, there was only heavy breathing. There was a rapid, you can say, heartbeat. They were not able to breathe properly. And then warrior said, will you now leave the pool? Ranji said no. Again, they were, first of all, they fought physically. Now they were fighting verbally. Okay. So he said, no, after that fight, I'm not going to leave that pool. Okay. So Ranji also spoke same dialogue that he will also not leave that pool. Okay. So after that, he said, now we both have to continue that fight. Okay. But neither of the boy was moving. They were not taking any initiative. Initiative means they were not taking any efforts. Okay. They were not doing the beginning that who should leave the place. Okay. So warrior in this way, he had an inspiration. Okay. He said, okay, we will continue with this fight, but we will continue this fight tomorrow. Okay. And if you really have a courage, you come here again tomorrow. Okay. We will continue this fight and I will not show you mercy. Mercy means there. Yes, pity. I will not show you any kind of pity because some of the pity I have shown you today. But tomorrow I am not going to show you any of the pity that I have done today. I'll come tomorrow. I will be ready for you. Okay. So in this way, they turned from each other and they went to their respective rocks, but they put on their clothes and they left the forest and both of them went into different routes. What is the meaning of routes? Both of them have different ways. So they both went to their different places. Okay. In this way, their fight was not over, but they thought that they would be meeting next day at the same place. Now there should be pin drop silence in my class. Start finding this comprehension part By the time, let me make one phone call. Please in between don't talk. देखो जैसे लेक्चर ओवर वॉशरूम में मैंने बातें करने के लिए टाइम नहीं दिया. आई एम गोइंग टू आस्क यू क्वेश्चंस. बच्चे so start finding these questions. Very simple question is given. All of you find out these 4 questions. All of you find out these 4 questions and you all should be ready with the answers. Hurry up. Okay, in what way is the forest pool different from the one which Ranji knew in the Rajputana desert? Okay, this answer, last girl. Okay.
The pools were many. Men washed clothes there, and the water was not also very clear and it was very busy. But the pool which empty had found had clear water and
Good. Very good. Very good response from this class. I'm really happy. Your answers are up to the mark. Yes. It is buffaloes, not buffalo. It is buffalo. Women. See, बच्चे. Speak pronunciation of this word. It is buffalo. And it is women. It is buffalo and it is women. You are going to learn this pronunciation for yourself, not for me. Tanmay is more important for you, Lavish. You were talking to Tanmay when I was telling you the pronunciation. Huh? Okay, now second. The other boy asked Ranji to explain himself. What did he expect Ranji to say? What was his expectation?
he expected that Raji will say, Raji will apologize and will come to.
He was trying to start hostility. He expected Ranji to confirm that Ranji was from some nearby village. He wanted Ranji to explain that how he entered the pool without his permission.
But in this answer, you have to tell only short. It is a comprehension check. So he was expecting only that he should say sorry, he should apologize, he should feel guilty, he should accept his mistake. Okay? You have only yes, ma'am, nothing else. You tell me next question. These guides are not allowed. I will throw it and keep it in the dustbin that is there. I will throw it in the dustbin. Really, I will do. You find out next answer. So next question we have is, was he in your opinion right or wrong to ask this question? He was wrong. Why so? Why he was wrong? No, no answer. Yes. Yes, good. Because it was a public property, anybody could use it, anybody could enjoy swimming in that pool. It was not his personal or private property. It was public.
It's personal, it's private thinking that this pool belongs to him.
So it is very much crystal clear that he was wrong. Okay, because the pool was a public property. Any person could use it. It was common for all. So we can say at his side, he was completely wrong. Clear? Now next question we have is, between Ranji and the other boy, who is trying to start a quarrel? Yes, last.
Between Ranji and the other boy, I think the other boy started a quarrel because he said, I am a warrior and I don't take replies from villagers like you.
So it was Suraj
Suraj.
who started that fight. What was the reason behind that? Yes, Akul. Yes, good. Very good response. Some students are doing so well. From their answers, it is crystal clear that they have listened each and every line of the chapter. They have understood the concept. But those who are sitting like a passive listener, I am really disappointed with their performance. Because those who are not giving response, I am taking too much time on this chapter. I'm not teaching you so abruptly, so in a hurry. I want that each and every line of the chapter should go clear in your mind, should go straight in your mind. And I know when I was teaching you this chapter, everybody was listening. It means chapter is clear. So why are you not responding? So, bache, this comprehension check, I don't want to listen, I don't want to see blank faces. Only 3-4 students are giving very good answers. I expect answers from everybody. So this, up to that we have done. So during Diwali break, you can go through this comprehension check part and you can find out all these question answers. And these questions will be discussed after Diwali break. Clear? And I want positive response from all of you.